Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to discuss a comment that someone left on one of my videos. The comment is from Richard Love 4287 and he said silver can hit $14 all day long. No one anywhere will be able to buy physical at that price. Now when I first read that comment I didn't really understand it. So I responded saying, please can you explain the comment? And Silver Bean Counter responded and he replied with, he means that if the silver spot price is $14, no dealer will sell it for less than a $10 premium on generic silver. Dealer costs would be high too because demand for the physical would still be strong. Now this comment really got me thinking, as if Richard says silver spot price did drop as low as $14, then what bullion dealers would be willing to take such a hit and such a loss on their supply? They're going to either have to increase the premium to be able to keep running their business and make a profit, or they're going to have to hold on to their supplies until the spot price rises. Now, if the spot price did drop this low, there's going to be a lot of people rushing out to buy silver. And if the bullion dealers and the coin shops are holding on to their silver because they don't want to sell at such a loss, then the demand for silver is going to be even higher because it's a lot harder to get hold of. So I find this very interesting, and I would be very interested to hear your thoughts on this comment, because I kind of agree with Richard. If the spot price dropped that low, where are you going to be able to buy silver from? No one's going to be willing to part with it on the second-hand market because no one will want to sell their silver at a loss. No coin shops or bullion dealers are going to be selling anywhere near that spot price because they don't want to make a loss on their supplies also. Everyone that wants to invest in silver or currently has a stack is going to want to rush out and buy silver, but the supply is just not going to be there. So yeah, I find this comment very, very interesting. It really, really makes you think, what would happen if spot price was to dramatically drop? Where are you going to go to get your silver? And would the actual cost of a silver coin actually drop? Or would the bullion dealers and the coin shops just increase the premium over spot price to buy one of these so that they're still breaking even or making profit? So yeah, just a short video really to get you thinking about the spot price of silver, because a lot of people worry about buying silver now because the spot price is fairly high compared to the last couple of months. But for me, I'm not too concerned. I'm a long-term investor. And as we've just said, if this silver was to suddenly drop in price, I don't think it's going to be a problem because no one's going to be willing to part with their silver. So due to the short supply, prices will still stay high. Like I said, let me know what you think in the comment section. Very, very interesting comment and a lot to kind of think about there. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos and I hope you have a nice day.